We've been trying to do a number of things to our backyard, and by far our favorite so far is adding this gazebo. This is the Backyard Discovery Cedar Wood Gazebo, and it is so beautiful. So my husband put this together. He did most of it by himself. It took him a few days. The hardest part was getting the roof pieces. You actually build these like the entire section. So there were 4 sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. It was getting these propped up and then screwed in. So we did need some help with that. And it says that in the instructions that it's best with at least 3 people. And we did have, I think we had 3 or 4 people. Some neighbors came over and helped us out with it. But as far as the instructions go, it was all very clear. It was just a little bit time consuming, as you'd expect with something just of this size and quality. But again, it looks beautiful. We're going to get some string lights to hang up in here. It's so fun. We've been out here in the rain a few times, and none of our furniture or anything has gone wet, which is awesome. It also has this that you can stick on there. It has some outlets in here. We didn't really want this to be any sort of focal point, so we actually have it just facing our house here. But if you had it like facing the inside or a different direction, it also has this that can come down right here, and you could set like a phone there, a tablet there, whatever you wanted to do. So this was just a nice little addition there. But yeah, it's a beautiful gazebo. It has these sections where you bolt it down into the cement, so it's nice and secure. It can hold like some insane amount of snow on the top, resist a bunch of wind. So it's a very, very sturdy thing, and it is absolutely beautiful.